Welcome back, children, in your computer class. In my last class, I was with the chapter of 3 and it was up to ended with paragraph section, right? Today we'll start from the vertical alignment of the paragraphs. An important step, it is an important step in the MS Word on page formatting option, that is the positioning of the text on it. So before writing the any topic, we have to choose any one option among the four, that is the top alignment, center alignment, justified alignment and bottom alignment. If we want to align the center position, then we have to choose this option, page with center alignment, and it is the top alignment. Choosing top alignment section, it will come like this, and it is the justified alignment. This will be the position, and this is page with bottom alignment, right? So let us know how to do it. So for this reason, we have to follow certain steps, like this is first step. This is ribbon button. This is ribbon. This is called ribbon. Okay. So for this first step, click the page layout tab on this ribbon option, ribbon bar. Okay. Next is click on the more button in the page setup group. Page setup dialog box will appear. After that, we will follow the third step. This is the dialog box, and here you will have to click on layout in the page setup dialog box. This is the layout option. After that, we'll get this box. This is known as the vertical alignment. Click the down arrow and select any option from the drop down list. This is known as vertical alignment portion. See, this is vertical alignment, and here we have to choose any one, top, center, justified and bottom. Out of 4, any one we have to choose, and finally we'll get the option, that is apply option. Here it is known as the whole documents already selected by default, it is taking, and here we have to choose apply. To click the down arrow and select any option from the drop down, that is whole document, whether you want or the point forward, means the particular portion. Then after that, finally you have to click on OK button, and your paragraph will be aligned vertically. This is the portion where we have to know, and we will get the vertical alignment section. So after this, we will know about the line spacing and paragraph spacing of the particular paragraph in a Word document. Okay, the line spacing actually meaning of the gap between running the lines of the text, which is known as interlinear spacing or simply the line spacing, means the gap between the running lines. Like this is the line. If we want to type, if we will type in the computer, we will be typing like this way. This is the normal line. Okay, if you want to give some gap between these two lines, then it will be reflecting like this. And if we want to give more, this will reflect like this. So this is known as the line spacing. So this spacing can be increased or decreased to spread out the text, right? So this spacing, it is known as the single line spacing. This is known as 1.5 line spacing. It is given 1.5 and this is given 2.0. Okay, so these options we will be discussing here, how we will get it. MS Word allows us to adjust the line spacing in our document. Common line spacings are following by this way. This is the common line spacing. This is 1.5 and this is 0.2. Will be reflecting like this. And the steps are, first we have to select a particular paragraph to give the line spacing in the Word document, right? We have to select here. See here, it is the highlighted position where we have selected the particular paragraph. After that, we have to go in the ribbon, click on the home tab, then you have to choose this option. This is, see here, it is known as this step 3. Click on the line spacing and select any option. Here it will be reflecting here, you can see it. This is the line spacing option. After that, you have to change this line spacing of a paragraph. We follow the given steps. Like first you have to choose the select text. Now we have to, this is the entire position and you want to change these lines by using the line spacing option. First you have to select the text, then go for the ribbon in the click on the home tab, and after that click on the spacing, line spacing option, and then select the line spacing. Right here, see line spacing option, and then you have to select it. See here 1, 1.35, 1.15, 1.5, like this way. Here it is marked, that means it has been selected 1.15. Paragraph dialog box, when options, then we have to go this way. Okay. Next, click on the down arrow portion of the line spacing and select any, just a second, click on the drop down arrow of the line spacing and select any option from the drop down list, and then after selecting here you just have to click here OK button and it will be reflected like this way. See, already the lines are giving space, highlighted positions that we want to get, and it is coming out here. Okay, this is known as line spacing. Similarly, we are having paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing means we can add space between each paragraphs. Means this is the one paragraph, this is one paragraph, and this is one paragraph. If we want to give the gap between the two paragraphs, it will be, we have to follow some steps. First, select the paragraph and then click on the page layout option. This is the page layout option in the ribbon, and then click the arrow next to spacing before the and after the, and select the value. This is the portion. This is spacing option. Here we have to click the arrow. Here see, this is the arrow, small. You have to click on it to give spacing before and after and select the value where we have to give the paragraph space that we have to indicate here. Just click on that options. Right, space between the paragraph has changed. After that we'll get the space between the paragraphs. Also, we have another process that can be also followed by giving the space in the paragraph. Like you have to select the paragraph first. Next, click on the ribbon. Here we'll get the home tab, and then you have to click on down arrow to open the paragraph dialog box. Here it comes, this is paragraph dialog box, and then click the arrow next to before and after the spacing on select any value. Here you before and after you have to select, and then please click on the OK button. Okay, here spacing between the paragraphs has changed. See, between the paragraphs here, see, that changed. Next portion is paragraph indenting. Indenting is what? Indenting helps us to control the amount of blank spaces to the left and right of the individual paragraphs of MS Word documents. Just see here, left and right portion of the paragraph, that is the thing which we want to indent. Means it help us to control the blank spaces. Here see, this is the blank spaces. We have to control it from left and right portion of the any paragraph of the Word document. So there are 4 basic types of indenting in MS Word. One is left indent, right indent, first line indent and hanging indent. These are 4 options. So what is left indent? Left indent is when all the lines of the paragraph start away from the left margin. When all the lines will be starting from the left alignment way, like left margin will start, they are known as left indented from the left margin. Similarly, right indent means every line of the paragraph is spaced a set amount away from the right margin. Particular space amount is leaving here. Each and every option. So every line of the paragraph is spaced a set amount away from the right margin. That is, all the lines of the paragraph end before the right margin. You have to know that whenever you will choose right indent, the lines will be stopping before the right margin. That is known as right indent. First line indent means here the first line of the paragraph is indented. The rest of the lines start at the left margin only. This kind of indent is used to make the paragraph breaks more obvious. Okay. So, hanging indent. Last one is, this is effectively the reverse of the first line indent. Means, as the first line aligns with the left margin, whereas the rest of the lines are indented and appear the hang from the first line. This kind of indent is effected in drawing the reader's eye to the first line of the paragraph. Means once you select the first line indent, the rest portion you have to select by other way. This is the hanging indent, right? This is indent of the paragraph. How to do it? First you have to select the paragraph, then go for the home tab in the ribbon and then click on the increase indent button of the paragraph group. This is the button. Indent of the paragraph is here. You can see here indent of the paragraph has increased. Here see left margin giving the left indent and it is the reflecting here. Okay, to decrease the indent of the paragraph we follow the given steps, like first go to the left button, home tab on the ribbon and then click on the decrease indent button in the paragraph group. Okay, so it will come like this. Here you can find it in the 3 lines and it is coming in the 4 lines. It is after indenting of the decrease indenting. This is increasing indent. Indent of the paragraph is decreased. And then to change the indent of the paragraph we have to follow also the steps also. Here you can choose the button and you have to follow the steps. This is the click on the home tag of the ribbon and then click on the down arrow to open the paragraph dialog box and then click the arrow next left portion to left or right. Click here. See this is left portion, this is right portion. You have to choose any arrow. Here boxes to increase or decrease the left and right indent and then click the down arrow of here and then special box to change the first line and or hanging indent in the given value by in the box. Here you will find it one value, particular value you have to change from here. Click the OK button finally. This is the paragraph indenting. Right. So children, it is little bit difficult from getting the idea from the book for doing the activities while we will open the school, and well, everything will be normalized. Then after that we'll have the practical class. We'll do in computer class at the time of opening the physical school is running. When we'll go in the practical and do yourself, that time we will be easily understand that whatever these alignments related to paragraph, indenting of the paragraph, all the things, it will be better. I hope so that it will everything will be getting normalized, and we will go again to the school and we'll continue our classes. So for before that you have to it is difficult little, still you have to read it from the book by whatever I have explained here, and following the steps, all the steps to getting the paragraph indenting and the line spacing, paragraph spacing, all the details from the book, and prepare your lessons properly. Okay, thank you.